8% po ba na tax for freelancers, 8% per quarter yon or 8% yearly, then i-divide lang into 4? The answer is per quarter po ang computation natin. Hello guys, my name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Ayon, quarterly yung pagpa-file natin, and yung 8%, meron tayong 250k non-taxable income. Meaning, hanggang hindi pa lumalagpas yung income mo ng 250,000, wala ka pang 8% na tax. And then, cumulative yung pagpa-file natin. Meaning, sa unang quarter, for example, 200,000. So, hindi ka pala magpas ng 250k, wala ka pang tax. Yung next quarter, for example, 200,000 ulit. Cumulative yun, 200,000 sa current quarter. I-add mo yung last quarter na 200k. Total of 400k na yung income mo sa dalawang quarter. Ibawas mo yung 250k non-taxable income, meron ka ng 8% na tax sa 150,000. Ganun siya. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.